So we're looking at more matrices and finding the determinant of these given matrices. So I've written down three matrices here, and we're going to find the determinant of each matrix. So let's go ahead and start. So determinant of matrix P. So let's write it like this time. The two lines. Say we can write it as DET Anyway, it doesn't matter. So remember from the last video, to find the determinant of a matrix, it's the product of the first diagonal, take away the product of the second diagonal. So my first diagonal is -2 and 3. So the product of that will be -2 times 3. So remember, product means multiply, right? So the product of the first diagonal, take away the product of the second diagonal. The second diagonal has 4 and -5. So the product of that will be 4 times -5. So -2 times 3 is -6, which you take away sign. 4 times -5 is -20. Again, now remember, two negatives give me a positive, right? So I already get -6 plus 20. My final answer will be 14. The determinant of this matrix is 14. Now let's go on to number 2. So let's write it as DETQ. Same procedure. Product of the first diagonal. The first diagonal has 8 and 2, so 8 times 2. Take away the product of the second diagonal, so that will be -1 times 7. So 8 times 2 is 16, which you take away sign. -1 times 7 is -7. Again, two negatives when they come together is a positive. So you get 16 plus 7, which is 23. And last one. We have this matrix here, I equals 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, this is a set matrix. This matrix is called the identity matrix. So it's good to remember this matrix, right? So we want to find the determinant of the identity matrix, I. Now, this is the only set matrix you would have to learn, that we learn for at CSEC, right? So don't worry about learning of any other matrix. This 1, 0, 0, 1, the identity matrix. So we're going to find the determinant of that. Same procedure as before. Multiplying the first diagonal, so that'll be 1 by 1. Take away second diagonal, 0 times 0. So you really get 1 take away 0, which is just 1. And so therefore, to find the determinant of the identity matrix, that answer is just 1. And basically, this is it. How to find the determinant of a matrix is nothing harder than this. It's very simple. The product of the first diagonal, take away the product of the second diagonal.